Welcome to the in front of me Google Pixel 6, and I'll show you how to disable ringtone volume on this device. So first you should go to the settings tab and here go to the sounds and vibrations section. Right now you got here the ringing notification volume. Just to turn it off, swipe with your finger to the left and that's it. Also we got the second way. We just press here on the volume buttons. That doesn't matter to which volume button you will just press. Just press here and go to these three dots, and now can you see here the ring notification volume? Just swipe with your finger by the same way and tap to done. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.